Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. So this is the class 6 of tutorials Nightwatch. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to send a value to any form. Okay, so let's see. First we will see the website, like where we have to send the values. So I will show you here. So this is the website we are using here in this tutorials. Okay, so we have to open this URL and then here we have to write Step Campus. Any text you can write. I am just writing Step Campus. Okay, so let's see how to write this Step Campus in this text box. Okay, so for this I will come to the VS Studio Code. In test I will create one new file and I will give the file name as input text.js. okay, yeah, so it's a complete new text series. So here we are going to write our script. Okay, so as I told you, so this is the syntax module dot exports. Okay, if you are new and not knowing like how to write the syntax, please follow my previous lecture. You will definitely get to know about the syntax. Okay, now we will give the test case name here. Okay, so for this one, this is input underscore text. Okay, yeah, so see, you can write any test case name here. Okay, not required this, you have to write input text only. Yeah, now we will pass browser in function. Okay, yeah, now let's see. First we have to go to that URL, right? So the simple method is browser dot URL. Okay, and then we have to put URL value. So let's go to the site, just copy this one and paste the value. Okay, we'll give some pause, so give browser dot pause and then we will give 4 seconds for an example. Okay, make sure you should give semicolon, okay, after every script, because this is a not mandatory, but yeah, this is a good practice in JavaScript. Okay, so first we will open this link. Okay, so save it, go to the command prompt and run this test. Oh, okay, I did some mistake. Yeah, see, let's see what we are using. So when we give this one, so it is not opening the this website. Okay, this is opening a previous one. Why this previous one? Because in command prompt we have to give current file name. Okay, so again we have to give, so just come here, control C. Okay, terminate the job. Yeah, now we will give. So what I will give from start so that you can learn again. So npx nightwatch space. Okay, then we have to give the test name, test folder name. This is a test folder name and inside this folder name we have input text. Okay, so give backward slash, then write input underscore text, sorry, input underscore text dot js. Okay, then we will write and hyphen e and then chrome. Okay, now run enter. Okay, so it will now fetch this input text file. Okay, and then it will run for a current tutorial. So let's see what it is opening. Yeah, now it's a correct. We are getting this new website. Okay, assertion ran, no assertion ran because we didn't use any assertion here. Okay, it's just opening the URL. Now let's go there and write some value. Okay, so to write some value in the form we have to give browser dot set value. Okay, and then we have to give the value. So here in the string format I am giving Step Campus. Okay, let's give welcome to Step Campus. Okay, just give semicolon and save it and run it. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, so yeah, let's see, it will give error. I will show you how. So first see what we are going to find it. Okay, Why it will give error, I will show you. Okay, see, it's saying set value is not a function. Okay, set value is not a function. So let's see what is the error. So it's not a function means definitely we are giving some wrong syntax. Okay, so let's give it capital V also. Maybe like you will thought like capital V is a function. Okay, let's see, let's run it again. We are using 4 seconds, so it will take less amount of time according as compared to the previous videos, so no need to worry, we can run multiple times. Okay, it is open, this one, and now we are still giving value. Now what it is giving the error. Okay, before we are getting syntax error, now we are getting while running set value command, set value expect 3 or 4. Okay, so just remove, let's forget these things as of now. Okay, so what it is saying now, it is saying like set value will expect some values that we are giving, but we are not we are not giving nightwatch a command like where we have to write the value. We have to write value here, right? So we have to give this location first. Okay, so let's see. So what we have to do, we have to inspect it. Let's inspect it. Okay, this one, this is input text. Okay, just copy this one, copy selector. Okay, so when you copy the selector, then it will work. Go there. Okay, so we have to write this value, but where? So we have to write this value in this selector. So here we will pass two argument. First will be where to set value. Okay, where we have to give the value, and second what we have to give and what we have to give. Okay, let's save it and run it again. Now it will work fine. Okay, just control Z it, control C. Okay, now it will run. Let's see the output now. So it will open the browser, it will go to that input text one, and it will write the welcome to Step Campus. Let's see it is running or not. Okay, it will open the browser. Now it will write some value in this box. Oh, it's very quick, you are not able to see. Just make it some we will use some pause is 9 seconds. Okay, just save it and run it. Why 9 seconds? Because 9 seconds we are enough to see the actual test case and actual result. Okay, it will open the browser again, it will go to this text input. Okay, and then it will give, see, welcome to Step Campus. Okay, after 9 seconds it will close this browser. Yes, so we can see here input text, running input text. Okay, and no assertion because we haven't used any assertion here, but yeah, test case is passed. Okay, just forget about these things as of now, this is not an issue. Okay, as of now we can see this test case is passed. Okay, if it is failed, then it will give us error in the red format. Okay, so nothing is red here, then it means all good. Okay, so in this video that's it. We will meet in the next lecture with new concept. So yeah, happy learning guys. Thank you for watching.